I was waiting for a friend of mine that's supposed to come in to perform, but I guess I'm not going to dance. But now, you know what? Thinking about improvising, I just saw somebody walk in. I'm going to ask you to Kasia if she can dance with me.
Not dance. I am as new as it gets, so maybe an inspiration for all of you guys.
Just play, and the DJ going to play the music. I don't know what he prepared for me.
Escucha tus sones, un tango que atrae corazones, con tu dulce canto de tus bandoneones, con tu pobre origen, la fascia del universo, sin más para tocar que tu música y tus versos. Para abrirte paso has tenido que ser brujo, por tus propios medios lograste tu triunfo. Oh tango de bellos encantos, hoy vive tu canto en mi corazón. Tango brujo, tango lindo, tango noble, tango guapo, tango hermano de mis largas noches tristes, compañero de mi pobre corazón. Tango brujo fascinante, tango brujo, tango bravo, combatido tango bravo, tango gaucho que a pesar de tanta contra defendiste con altura tu bravura de varón. Tango brujo, fascinante, tango brujo, tango bravo, combatido tango bravo, tango gaucho que a pesar de tanta contra defendiste con altura tu bravura de varón.
Thank you guys. Thank you everybody. As you see, the tango is improvised. I say, oh, there's a friend of mine supposed to come in. Maybe say, you made it. Hey, hey, hey. You don't want to hear me no more. But that's the idea. Over you got somebody, you can dance, you can practice it, and you can also improvise in the tango. So say welcome to all you guys, the new ones, and the other ones go to dance. Thank you.